Okay, so me and my brother were trying to, or at least we were really bored, and so we decided to look for stuff in our garage, and we ended up finding this microbike from a long time ago. Yeah, it's really old, and you can see the rust on there. But it does still work, and to demonstrate that, my brother will be riding on this, so we'll show a clip. And I will also be videotaping. And by I mean Jan, so yeah, and that's my brother. Or, the one who's gonna be riding this is Michael, or my brother, so yeah.